MyCreditFixer Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of MyCreditFixer, a credit repair service designed to help you regain control of your financial health. If you're interested in exploring this service further, links are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll break down its key features, explain who it's best for, and share insights from my usage experience to help you make an informed decision. MyCreditFixer offers a comprehensive approach to addressing credit issues. The service focuses on analyzing your credit report to identify negative items such as errors, late payments, collections, and charge-offs. Their team works directly with credit bureaus and creditors to dispute inaccuracies, aiming to remove these items and improve your overall credit score. What sets MyCreditFixer apart is its user-friendly platform and personalized service. Upon signing up, clients receive a tailored credit repair plan that outlines the steps required to improve their credit health. The service ensures transparency by providing real-time updates on the status of disputes and changes to your credit report. This is ideal for anyone who values clarity and wants to stay informed throughout the credit repair process. MyCreditFixer is particularly beneficial for individuals facing challenges such as loan denials, high interest rates, or difficulty securing housing due to poor credit. Whether you're dealing with a few reporting errors or more significant financial setbacks, this service is equipped to assist. In addition to dispute resolution, MyCreditFixer also offers valuable educational resources to help clients build sustainable credit habits. These include tips on managing credit utilization, understanding credit inquiries, and establishing positive payment histories, empowering you to maintain long-term financial health. The service's affordability is another strong point, making professional credit repair accessible to a wide range of users. Flexible pricing plans ensure that clients can receive expert assistance without straining their budgets. In summary, MyCreditFixer is an effective solution for those looking to repair and optimize their credit. Its combination of professional dispute handling, educational tools, and transparent processes makes it a reliable option for improving your financial standing. Check out the links in the description to get started with MyCreditFixer today and take the first step toward better credit.